Why health indicators matters? It matters because health indicators measures health status of the population and compare regions, evaluate health programs and policy planning. Indicators are variables that help measure changes in health status over time. So these are the health indicators that measures the health status of the population. The first one is mortality indicator. Second is morbidity indicator, disability indicator, nutritional indicator and healthcare delivery indicator. Everybody write down. So mortality indicator means how many people are dying from a particular disease. It reflects death rate in a population. Everybody write down crude death rate. Crude death rate is number of death in a year by median population into 1000. Everybody write down. Crude death rate is number of death in a year by median population into 1000. So infant mortality rate is number of infant death less than 1 year per 1000 live birth. Everybody write down. Mortality ratio is maternal death per 1000 live birth. So maternal death is death of the mother per 1000 per 1 lakh live birth. This is maternal mortality ratio. It is not rate, it's a ratio. So the morbidity indicators are incidence, prevalence and notification rates. Everybody write down the slide. This is important. So disability indicators, it measures impact of disease on quality of life. The first one is disability adjusted life years, short form called DALY. And another one is years of life lost from a disease, YLL, and years lived with disability, YLD. Everybody write down, these are the important status of the population. So what are the nutritional indicators? BMI, underweight, prevalence, stunting and wasting. So what is incidence? What is incidence of a disease? Incidence of a disease. What's your name? Shoy? Any idea? Any idea? Okay. Give mic to Riddhi. Riddhi, what is incidence? Yes. Incidence is number of new cases occurring during a specific period. Sit down. And what is prevalence? So the prevalence of a disease is total number of So what is DALY? Disability adjusted life years. Anybody? So DALY means, please everybody write down. DALY means years of life lost plus years lived with disability. Means YLL plus YLD. DALY means years of life lost plus years lived with disability. DALY means DALY is equal to YLL plus YLD. So the next one is healthcare delivery indicators. It assesses availability and utilization of the service, existing service. So the first one is doctor population ratio, bed population ratio, and immunization coverage. So what is doctor population ratio in India? Anybody? What is doctor population ratio in India? So approximately 1 doctor per 834 population. So immunization coverage means how many children are immunized. And the last one is utilization indicator. It measures users of health service like OPD attendance, hospital admission rate. Everybody write down. I'm telling again and again. Please write down. I have just 2-3 lines in my slides. So the composite indicators is combined multiple indicators. Human Development Index, Physical Quality of Life Index. One is HDI and one is PQLI. So health indicators are essential tools for monitoring, evaluation and improving public health. Bed occupancy rate. Bed population or bed occupancy rate. Write down, bed occupancy rate is equal to occupied beds by available beds into 100. Bed occupancy rate equals to occupied bed by available bed into 100. Everybody write down. Social and mental health indicators. Social and mental health indicators. Write down. These are not in the slides. Social and mental health indicators. The first one is suicide rate. The first one is social and mental health indicators. The first one is suicidal rate. Suicide rate. Everybody write down. The first one is suicide rate. The second one is substance abuse. And the third one is literacy rate. Social and mental health indicators. Suicide rate, substance abuse and literacy rate. What is social and mental health indicators? The first one is suicide rate, second one is substance abuse, and third one is literacy rate. The first one is suicide rate, social and mental health indicators. The first one is suicide rate, second one is substance abuse, and the third one is literacy rate. Write down, sit down. So the next one is environmental indicators. Everybody write down. I'm telling again and again, everybody write down. Environmental indicators. Safe drinking water, sanitation, and the third one is air pollution. Environmental indicators. The first one is safe drinking water, Second one is sanitation, and the third one is air pollution. Socioeconomic indicators. First one is literacy rate, second one is poverty level, and the third one is per capita income. Socio-economic indicators. The first one is literacy rate, second one is poverty level, and the third one is per capita income. So in family adoption program, then in the next visit, you will ask per capita income of the family or head of the family who is incoming for the family. Per capita income. Per capita income means total income of the family divided by number of the family member. Is per capita income. Total income of the family divided by number of the family members. So in the composite indicator, human development index and physical quality of life index. What is HDI in India? Human Development Index. What is HDI in India? Indian HDI is 0.64. Indian HDI is 0.64. So the health indicators are essential tools for monitoring, evaluation and improving public health. What is IMR? Anybody? What is IMR? Infant mortality rate. Mortality rate. Omarto. What is infant mortality rate? Infant mortality rate is death of a children below 1 year per 1000 live birth. Death of a children below 1 year. What is infant? Children up to 1 year is. And what is neonate? Neonate and infant is two different terms. No. Neonate is up to 28 days of birth is first 28 days is called neonates, and up to 1 year is infant. Sit down.